Hello, professionals and presenters. Today, we're solving a common problem: how to send a large file by email. We've all been there. You've created an amazing high-resolution presentation, but it's too large to attach to your email. Well, I've got great news for you. You can effortlessly share your presentation with a link using tiny.host, which I've linked in the description below. Tiny.host lets you upload presentations up to 1 gigabyte in size. That means you can upload all those high-res images and animations without compromising on quality. So here's how it works. Simply drag and drop your presentation on tiny.host. You'll get a shareable link, which you can then put in your email. It's that easy. And one of the standout features is the ability to update your presentation in the background. Made a last-minute change? No problem. The link stays the same. Just upload the file again on tiny.host, and everyone with the link will have the updated version. There's no need to resend emails or worry about version control. And for added professionalism, you can create a QR code for your presentation. This is perfect for in-person meetings or conferences where you want to quickly access your slides. Plus, tiny.host has some great security features because you can password protect your files and make sure only the intended audience can see it. There's even an email gate option, which requires your visitors to enter their email address before accessing the presentation. This is a great way to collect leads while presenting at a conference. So whether you're pitching to clients or sharing your work with the world, tiny.host makes sharing your presentations a breeze. Just head over to tiny.host in the description below and say goodbye to file to large errors. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you're gonna kill your presentation.